Hi guys, so today we're gonna make our rainbow coaster, and to prepare, what I've done is I have a clipboard. This is gonna be to hold it into place while we're making it. I left one of my rope. I chose this primrose color to be my lead rope because I know that the outer edges are going to be this primrose color. And you do not have to make this rainbow if you don't want to. Here's an example of just all white. It's really nice and simple, but I just felt like making something a little bit more colorful today. What I've done with each of my other ropes is I've just found the center, folded them exactly in half, and made a little knot, and I did this so that they would hold in the clipboard better. Now I'm just going to get the lead out of the way, and I'm going to place it in here. For this coaster, we're just going to be using the clove hitch knot, and I'll show you how to do it. Now we want to place our lead right like that, and if you want to, you can actually tape that, but I'm not going to do that today. I'm just going to take this one, I'm going to go over and under, and I'm going to pull it right up to the top of the clipboard, just so that we have a nice straight line as our guide for our coaster. Okay, so now you can see I've done the first clove hitch knot there. I'm just going to continue, and the first is always the easiest because we're trying to secure that guide rope into place. And we're just going to continue the whole way continuously back and forth. Same thing, just going in the opposite direction. So now that we're done all of the clove hitch knots, you want to make sure that it's the size that you want, and the cup will sit on there nicely. And now I'm going to untie all of these, trim, and then I'm going to comb out the fringe, and then I'll be done.